Hi, my name is Mohammed Alfaraj. I would like to present to you my research of the company that I want to apply to when I complete my degree. Aramco is the world's largest oil company in the world, and this is where I would like to apply. Now, I am going to give you a detailed description of the job that I want to apply to. Support project teams in the development and implementation of projects. Mechanical engineer on paper machine, secondary fiber, converting power and infrastructure project. Develop project scope and estimates, write equipment specifications, review codes and recommend equipment and materials. Size pumps, piping, tanks and process equipment. Work with other engineering disciplines in a team environment. Manage work effort to support a project schedule. Facilitate design reviews with operations and maintenance personnel. File startup and checkout support. Organize and execute activities that drive will deliver projects as defined. This includes design, construction, installation, commissioning, startup, and documentation activities. Use economic thinking when evaluating alternative equipment vendors, contractors. Exercise 100% compliance relative to environmental safety and business practices. The area of a mechanical engineer at Aramco does more than just engineer. We do so much more than provide energy to the world. We also grow new businesses, fuel the economy, and drive innovation. Next, I will tell you about role specifics. Establish and coordinate all engineering matters in relation to IGCC with license, license, licensors, contractors, and Saudi Aramco engineering organizations. Identify and remedy in coordination with relevant Saudi Aramco engineering organizations. The impact of new units in the IGCC on Saudi Aramco standards. There are certain requirements to obtain the job. Bachelor's degree in engineering required, mechanical or pulp and paper technology preferred. A minimum of 5 years mechanical engineering experience in an, a manufacturing environment required. Paper mill experience preferred, which I will have in the future. To maximize downstream investment revenue and provide optimal operational and project support to Saudi Arabia. This mission reflects our twin operational themes: to provide services to Saudi Aramco enterprise, its suppliers, and Saudi Arabian interests, and to maximize our financial contributions to Saudi Aramco and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia by directing AOC joint venture investments in the downstream oil sector. Now I want the company's mission is I interviewed a mechanical engineer and asked him, "Do you want do you recommend I work at Aramco?" He replied, "Yes, I recommend working here. There are great benefits. Our commitment to remain the world leader in the production of petroleum based energy is complemented by our commitment to help solve a host of pressing issues. Now I want to show you how I plan to apply to this job. A good cover letter will show that I have the knowledge and experience as well as the same values as the company. Also, I have the ability to communicate and express my qualifications in a professional manner. This is my cover letter. It is addressed to the Director of Operations. I show for my qualifications, then I show some skills as well. In the last paragraphs, I invite the audience to contact me for a meeting. A good resume shows how you can contribute to the company. It shows education and relevant coursework. A summary of good qualifications is good as well. This is my cover letter. It is addressed to the Director of Operations. I show for my qualifications, then I show some skills as well. In the last paragraph, I invite the audience to contact me for a meeting. After after a good cover letter, I will I will need a good resume. Now here is the resume that I will use for my application at Aramco. You see here is attractive, simple and guides the audience. I have my contract information or I have my contact information, career objective and educational background. The experience I have is key to the audience. It shows my capabilities as well as my skills. As long as these documents have great values as the company does. I am well, I am well, I can well along the way to working for Aramco.